Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Raleigh here. So the last time I shared with you the fact that some persons do fish keeping, some persons do fish breeding. I myself I do both, right? Some persons do not like the idea of breeding fish because they do not have the space, they do not have the time, they do not have the money, they do not have the equipment so as to manage the whole idea of breeding fish. So you have two Oscars or three goldfish in an aquarium and you make a couple of videos and yeah, it's going on good, right? And you get so attachments to you get so attached to these fish, just like DIY King with his fish, the arowana body, a few months ago. When it died, it touched everybody, including myself, because I have been following Joey for a few years, right? And when that fish died, it was really a somber moment um, around that laptop when I watched him actually share the viewers what happened, and the whole process of him actually burying it is, I think it was in his backyard or something like that, right? uh Being a fish keeper, I've learned over the years, yes, over the years, because this is not my first rodeo. Being a fish keeper, I've learned over the years not to get attached to any fish whatsoever. If someone comes to my yard, see one of my fish, like one of my fish, and offers me a good price, I will sell him that fish without a blink. Same too with my motor car. If I have a motor car and I'm driving to the market, I'm driving on the road, and somebody, hey brother, what's up? I like a car, I can get it for buy. I tell him, say, no problem, man. Once the money is alright, I'll sell him it. Never yet get attached to anything, because when you lose it, it kind of have a psychological effect on the individual, right? So I practice that. So I will purchase some pretty fish, I'll breed pretty fish, I'll have the parents for months, and then someone comes and I do not have any more of the offsprings, so I sell the parents and I get more. And this goes back again to the whole idea of me trying to breed fish that were actually born at my yard. I try not to do that, because whenever I do that, I might be encouraging inbreeding, and inbreeding gives me a lot of fish that is not up to standard for the market. I do not want it to be said that this fish was purchased from Fish Keeping Jamaica or Raleigh, and after 2 years or 3 years, I realized that the spawns are actually dying out, or I realized that the fish started to get blind, right? So I practiced the whole idea of getting one fish from one location and going to another location and get the other one, putting them together, getting offspring. I've also practiced the whole idea of trying my best as possible to not to get too attached to any one single fish. Now, if I purchase a pair of goldfish and the pair of goldfish cost me $1,000, this is economics, people, and the pair of goldfish have been with me for, let's say, 2 years, and that pair of goldfish give me roughly 300-400 fries, and I've actually made some amount of money within that 2 years in which I have it, right? And I purchased that goldfish for $1,000, the pair, that's $500 a piece, right? If I am selling back those goldfish, chances are I will either sell it back for the same $500, I will sell it back for probably a little less. Reason being, one, that goldfish is aged. Two, that goldfish have given me a lot of monies through its spawning. You might probably say that that's stupid economics, but I'm looking at the fact that that goldfish have done its time and it's moving on. I'm not attached to that goldfish. I have other fries in which I can sell, or should I say small ones in which I can sell. Then now I would use the monies gained from that business, getting those goldfish, to actually get new goldfish, and I will start the process all over again. Thank you very much for watching Fish Keeping Jamaica. I hope that this reasoning do help in your fish keeping experience. Remember to subscribe and to follow me on Instagram at Fish Keeping Jamaica. Alright, big up Aquafunk. Respect. Cool.